everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with a 2-page layout today. So you're going to see me use a formula I often use when I have a lot of photos. I have 6 photos on the right side. In this case, they're all landscape. You can also obviously do that with portrait photos too if you want to. And then I'm adding 3 photos with a photo mat on the left side and then 1 additional photo. And then I don't remember if I'm going to show you this, but I also have 3 photo sleeves worth of photos from this adventure to Chicago that my daughter-in-law took with my 2 oldest grandsons. So I am using the Doodlebug Petite Prince swimming pool in candy stripe sprinkles. So this is the sprinkle side of the paper. It's their newest Petite Prince line. And then the matte paper there is the Doodlebug Petite Prince cherry dot stripe. And then it's a city, so I went to Chamel's Sparkle City collection. I have a little bit of that left, and this works perfectly with like the story of this big city. Again, I said, I told you they're in Chicago, so I really like that tag there, the one that says adventure, and I'm thinking about things like playing around with that taxi there. I've got a couple of things in mind, but I think first what I need to do is obviously get things down, because then I can really start playing with the arrangement of things. I have that little sort of washi banner. I'm not quite sure what exactly you want to call that, but that's what it is. So, and I think I'm watching something or typing a note back to somebody there. That's where my my iPad sits, so that I can either talk to you when we're doing lives, or I can I usually watch videos when I'm scrapbooking, whether it be scrapbook videos or videos about books. So we're getting these things down. They went to some really fun places. This is like a museum on this right page. It's like a museum of Chicago and lots of iconic places, and like Chicago dogs and deep dish pizza. There's lots of different icons there, which I think is really cute. So I have this. So I've got some stickers here. That's where this cityscape came from. And then the that little kind of bannery and the taxi there all came from the Sparkle City sticker folder. And then I have that tag, and that is a cut apart from the Sparkle City Stay Super paper, which is the cut apart page. Now this collection is from 2018, so you're not going to really, it's not going to be available. It's more like if you have this, but it's a way that, I'm showing you kind of a way that you can do a little bit of embellishment, even if you have a lot of photographs. So I'm thinking about another one of those taxis on that side. But what I didn't like about that was how big the taxi was compared to the buildings on that side, which is funny because I'm now going to take that stoplight sticker there, which is from the Sparkle City project pad, actually, sticker sheet. And that pigeon are a lot bigger than those buildings, but for some reason that didn't bother me. I'm wondering if it was maybe the yellow also, because where I have it on the right page, there's yellow in that, so it seems to, I think, blend in a little bit better. I thought it kind of stuck out more on the left page. So all of those pigeons, and you're going to see more of them, are coming from the Sparkle City sticker folder as well. And just so you know, when I'm working with the pigeons or that car, I'm making sure they're going into the page and not going off the page, if that makes any sense. So it's drawing your eye into the photos. Now, with a 2-page layout like this, technically, I could still probably have put something facing left on where that taxi is, because it would be looking to the other side of the page. But if you look at my pigeons, they're definitely looking into the layout, if that helps. So I put one up at the top there because I'm thinking I want something up there. I just don't know what that something is yet. So I'm going to do the things that I know, and then I'll deal with that other thing later. Not uncommon. It's a good way So then I decided, oh, maybe I'll just leave it like it is and not put anything else above there, and added the pigeon there. I did add a little celebrate sticker because they were just having a fun day adventure there. They were on spring break. So here's where I find what I'm going to use. And that camera is from the Sparkle City project pad as well. Those stickers were a lot thinner than the ones that are in the sticker folder. This is one of the pieces from the sticker folder, actually. So kind of playing around with, do I want another piece there? I had a little circle piece, but I didn't care for how that looks, so I decided I abandoned that idea. And then I found some stars stickers there, so that's what I'm going to do next. And honestly, these kept falling off, so I had to brayer them, and they still were falling off, so I ended up putting little glue dots behind them in the end. This, like I said, this is an older collection. At this point, this is crazy. It's 6 years old. And I still have stuff from it, but it's, it's remnants of things. So when I have a city, like a city layout, a lot of times I'll go back to this and use it, this collection, and use it. So there I go, just getting those extra little star stickers on, kind of scattering some color around, and then I just pointed to that tag because I need some twine. So I will go grab my twine from the Paper Studio, that's Hobby Lobby's brand, and I'll add that into this tag here. And I'm going to use some red just to balance kind of the red that's in the mat, and then the red from all the photos on the other side. There's a lot of red there. There we go. And then I used a silver pen to journal. I was thinking about popping the title on here, and then in the end decided not to do it. So I grabbed my silver pen, and I'm just going to write Chicago above the adventure piece there, and the tag there, and then the date, and then just a little, I think I wrote having fun with mom. So just a little bit of journaling there. The photos kind of speak for themselves there, so you don't need a lot. There's the folders of all the extra, or the pages of all the extra layouts, and those will go right in between the two pages. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.